When it comes to IT and technology-based sales, how has your team stepped up to address the challenges of 2021? Sales is easy. Finding a buyer who has a need and a seller who can address that need is simple on the surface. However, the act of selling is difficult. Getting in front of enough new prospects is difficult. Getting into a meaningful conversation is difficult. Having a truth-based conversation so you can get to the honest understanding of what the buyer actually needs so that you can determine the best fit for them can be difficult. Join me on July 14th for 1 hour. If you believe that your company can achieve greater sales growth for 2021 than it is currently on track to achieve, register. Register if you believe that addressing the top sales challenges for 2021 will help you achieve or potentially exceed your goals for 2021. I promise you this won't be a typical lecture. It's not a sales pitch in disguise. And I'm not charging a fee. However, you do need to invest. Invest your time and participation. This will be an interactive, high-paced discussion for managers, leaders, and owners, focused through the lenses of strategy, systems, structure, staff, and skills. Register below and you'll get the information on the session.